What's up guys, Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Another dope unboxing look for you guys today. Once again, the Off-White brand and Nike bring to you the Off-White Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5. So say that 3 times fast and say less with all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. So here we have the fully orange box. There's not much labeling on this box outside of the bottom that you guys can see, but there are holes on each side. So we have 3 holes right there. We got 3 holes on the side, and then we have 3 holes on the back of the box. Not exactly sure what that means, but if you do know, let me know in the comments. But you'll see right off the bat the yellow packaging. So this packaging, I believe, is made to look like kind of Kodak film packaging. So you'll see the red, the yellow, and the black, and it reads 2020 Off-White. Y in 2013, so I'm assuming that's the year 2013. But if you know what that means in the comments, let me know, because I'm definitely a sponge and I'm willing to learn. But we've got the Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5, of course in collaboration with Off-White. And this is the first colorway, the white and green. So these shoes do come in only women's sizing, but we do have multiple sizes, so they're pretty much unisex. So the Terra Kiger at its core is a trail running style shoe that's built for a variety of different weather conditions, but of course this is Virgil's spin on that. So we have the ripstop fabric, which is pretty much throughout the entire upper. You'll see it in the toe box area. We have the green cap overlay. You'll see a variety of different material stories on this. So we have the suede also on the upper. You'll see it's like a gray suede. We have the lacing system. So the rope laces, the neon laces that you see featured here, do feature 3M hits throughout the lace. And the tips also read shoelaces. There's a black tip that you'll see in my hand right here. And just above that, you'll see the shoelaces on the tips. We have a very cool detail to me. So we have the zip tie, the green zip tie, but this is not plastic like the normal zip ties you'll find, or maybe it is under, but the overlay on this is felt. So the felt material is what you'll find in varsity jackets, or even on the Aleli May Jordan 1, the black and silver, the swoosh, that is a felt material. So that's the same material that you'll find on this zip tie. We have the Nike right there on the tongue. We have the perforation that you guys can see with the close detailing also in the tongue. We get to the outer panel. Once again, the ripstop fabric with the embossed Nike swoosh in black, you'll see, and it runs actually into the overlay of the suede. We have the midsole, full white midsole with the Zoom Air unit. So this is a Nike Zoom Air shoe. And let's get to the back tab. You'll see the Nike Air logo right there. And one of the things that sticks out the most right off the bat is this trail-like outsole that you'll see. So you'll see the spikes on these, nothing in connection to Louboutin. This is all Off-White and Nike and Virgil's take on the Zoom Terra Kiger 5. So we'll get to the inner panel, which has the metallic swoosh. I'm not sure what that material is. It's a little bit different from the other metallic swooshes that we've seen on the different Off-White styles. But let's transition to the right foot. I believe it pretty much mirrors the left foot and the Beaverton organ. Once again, we'll show you the laces on these. So these also read the shoelaces, the white shoelaces that you'll see. And I'll give you guys one last look at the Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5 in the white colorway. We're gonna transition now into the black and pink. So here we have the black pink Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5 in collaboration with Off-White. And once again, as I mentioned before, these shoes run in women's sizing, but we have multiple sizes here that you guys can choose from. So it's for the men and the ladies. But we got the black pink colorway right here. I kind of like this one. Gives me a Yeezy 1 black and pink vibe, just a little bit, not much, so don't slander me in the comments, just a colorway. But we have the ripstop fabric, once again, in the toe area. We have the pink toe cap overlay. This one features the black suede that you guys will see, and the white swoosh that's embossed on the outer panel. Once again, I really like this zip tie, man. This material feels pretty good. The green zip tie. We have the black laces featured on this pair with the 3M hits, and also the shoelaces on the black pair. And once again, the shoelaces on the white pair. So the roping laces kind of give you even more of a trail vibe. Tongue, Nike Air with the orange. Back panel again with the white Nike Air. We have the orange tab hit right there on the outer panel. Inner panel, once again, the foil swoosh. So like I said, so the foil swoosh has been seen on, or the metallic swoosh I should say, has been seen on the MCA Off-White Air Force One, the MoMA Off-White Air Force One, and also the Complex Con. I know I keep saying Air Force One, but Air Force One, Uptowns, G-Fazos, whatever you want to call them. Let's get to the insole here. The insole mirrors the packaging of the shoe that I showed you guys earlier. So the same yellow with the swoosh, year 2013, also 2020 in there. If you guys know what that means on the packaging, let me know. You guys can see it right there. I'll take you guys to the outsole. So this one has the fully, well, it's pretty much fully pink outsole with hits of green and blue that you'll see throughout. So we have the sticky rubber hit right there in the middle. It's really small as you guys can see. And that trail outsole. So you can actually probably use this to brush your hair. I saw that meme on Instagram, but nah, really don't use it to brush your hair. But pick them up right here at Stadium. And here we have one last look at the black and pink Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5. And lastly, we're gonna look at one of my favorites, the green colorway. So here we have, last but not least, the electric green colorway in the Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5 in the collaboration with Off-White. And I'm gonna just say this straight up, this is definitely my favorite colorway out of the group. There's a great material story, as I mentioned earlier. This one features the neon, once again, in the ripstop fabric, but also all three pairs feature the Nike swoosh right there. On the toe box area, outer panel features the black swoosh that you can see. Once again, the orange tab right there. We have the blue laces, so I really like the contrast between the green and the blue on this shoe with the shoelaces there and the shoelaces there. So these shoes also give me heavy ACG vibes for all of my Nike heads. Definitely ACG inspired in my opinion. I think Virgil maybe had gotten some ACG vibes when he was designing this shoe. But back panel with the Nike Air. Once again, the inner panel, as you guys can see, and these shoes were produced in 2019, the Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5. Another detail that I didn't call out on the other two pairs, that in this one is actually fully tonal as it's exposed on the other two in a different contrasting color. It reads, engineered to the exact specifications of trail runners, worn to be wild. So instead of born to be wild, it's worn to be wild. And this shoe is definitely a wild color, and it kind of gives me just good vibes. But here as we get to the outsole, it's pretty much fully green outsole with a few hits of university blue and of course the black that you guys can see right there. And once again, that full trail outsole. I'm sure I'll see somebody on the golf course, maybe the football field, maybe even the soccer field in these. You never know, because they're built for a variety of different things. And I will give you guys one last look at the electric green Zoom Terra Kiger 5, brought to you by Nike and of course the Off-White brand. So here we have all three of the Nike Zoom Terra Kiger 5. We have the white green, we have the black pink, and electric green. So please let me know what you guys think in the comments of which one is your favorite. If you were listening to the video, you already know which one is my favorite. So I'm going with the electric green as number one. And I would probably go with, you know what? I'm gonna go white and green, number two. And then for the third one, I will definitely go black and pink. But let me know your order and what you think of these in the comments. And we have all three available along with multiple other Off-White styles right here at Stadium Goods. And we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube. Please make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Make sure you follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. And last but not least, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, please feel free to visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco BK, and salud.